Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. It's Ramadan day like 16 I believe, which is so crazy that we're already like halfway through Ramadan. Like, it's honestly going by so fast, which I'm kind of sad about. So I thought I would just pick up the camera and vlog today. I felt like vlogging, so I was like, why not? My room's a mess, so the first thing I need to do is like clean up my room, honestly, or make my bed pretty much. I just threw on this abaya right now because I feel like the thing I'm wearing right now, like the back area is tight of these, so just to cover that up, I thought I'd wear this right now. This abaya is from Shein, if anyone's wondering, but I honestly don't think they even have this anymore. I'm so happy I got this when they had it because it's so cute and it's very comfortable. Yeah, I just need to make my bed and then my room's pretty much cleaned up. If you remember from my room transformation video, when I talked about this converter, I was like, oh, I don't really know how the quality is gonna hold up, but it's actually been really good of a bed, like duvet covering. Not the actual like bed thing, but it's been a really nice duvet cover. It's been working really good, and it hasn't gotten like lit or something like I thought it would have. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing this. So my bed is made. Looks so nice now. If your guys' bed is in the corner like mine, you know how hard it is to make your bed. Like, it's so much harder versus when it's in the middle, but it's so worth it because I have so much more space in my room, you know? Alright, so last vlog I shared with you guys, like, me and my husband went to IKEA. We went for a dresser. They didn't have the original dresser we wanted, so we we're like, oh, alright, let's get a different one. And then we went to get that one. They said they had it. Then we went down to like the warehouse area, which is where you pick up the stuff. If you guys know how IKEA works, I'm pretty sure everybody knows how it works, because you like build your own furniture. So you like, they have the showrooms, you like look through what you want. When you like something, you take a picture of where it's at. It'll tell you like aisle 2 bin of where they keep the stuff. So when we went to go get the dresser that I have right now, oh wait, I didn't even tell you guys, but pretty much we got the dresser. But we went to go get the dresser. They said somebody like got the last one like 10 minutes ago, and we were just like, oh great, wow. But we went 2 days ago, and we got the dresser. We actually got 2 of these dressers because we thought the TV would not fit on top of this one. I'll show you guys in a second. So we got it like 2 days ago, and then we built it within the span of the 2 days, and I'm really happy with it. If you guys know, IKEA furniture isn't like the best quality furniture you can get, like, because I feel like it chips really easily, and then like when you're building it you have to be super careful, or else like, yeah, I've kind of like messed up my bed when I originally built the bed, because all my furniture is pretty much from IKEA. It's just like cheaper, and I like the look of their stuff. Like, it's all like minimal and stuff like that, you know. I'll show you guys what the dresser looks like. Desk used to be here, and so this is what this dresser is looking like. I actually really like it, and it surprisingly fit the TV on it, but like it's kind of like, do you see that? But like, hey, now I originally bought 2 of these so we could put 2 of them together. Honestly, would have been a lot, but yeah. And then we also looked at the long short one, but they didn't have that one available, so that's why we didn't get that one. But honestly, I like the tall one better, so I'm so happy it worked out. And I have more storage now for things. I haven't really filled up the drawers yet. We literally just finished building this yesterday. The only thing I put in here is my laptop right now, and all the other drawers are empty. So yeah, I can finally like kind of clean out my closet and like put some of that stuff in here even. I think in the bottom drawer, I'm gonna put like all the clothes that I'm selling on like my Mercari. Yeah, I need to go through and like sort out which clothes I still even have right now, because some of my friends have looked through the piles and they're taking things they wanted, and then I have like a couple more clothes left. And then I also like went ahead and just donated a huge pile of them because it was just like too much to keep, and then I kept some things that I thought would sell. Yeah, so I have to look through that and see what I still even have with me to sell, and then I also just take pictures of other things to add on my Mercari. If you don't know what Mercari is, it's like a place where you can sell your clothes, or people can buy your clothes. So if you're like the same size as me, I think Mercari is only open to the US, right? I'm not sure. Check it out if you want to see what I'm selling on there. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that in the last drawer. The first 2 I'll put like other things. I don't know, I'm really excited to have more storage in this room. I really should have vlogged that day when we went to IKEA. It was a much more eventful day than today. Today's just a chill at home sort of vlog, but I hope you guys enjoy. I actually have class in like 20 minutes, so yeah, I'm gonna like chill for a little bit and then I'll get started on my class. And I'll probably change out of the pajamas because I'm still wearing my pajamas. I literally just threw the abaya on top of it, so it kind of looks like I changed, but I really didn't. Honestly, I've really been loving abayas. I wore an abaya that day, and I really like it, and I really want to get more and just start wearing them more, you know. And it just feels like so nice to wear one, and it just feels so modest, and I really love it. So I really want to get more abayas. I am so mad about my AliExpress order. If you guys remember me commenting on the community poll where I was like, oh, I want to do an AliExpress haul. One of the packages still hasn't arrived, but it says it's delivered to me and I never got it, so I'm wondering if I should just dispute that order or give it like another week or two. And if I don't get it in another week or two, I'll dispute the order and I'll just make the video with the stuff I do have. Kind of sad about that because the order of the abayas that didn't come were the ones that I really wanted. But like, I filmed the first half of the video anyways. I was just waiting for the next package to get here, but I don't know if it's ever gonna get here, so check in with y'all when I start class, I guess, or something.
Hello everybody, Priya.
So I'm done with my class. I had an outfit change. I literally just threw on this dress right here. I feel like dresses are just such an easy thing to throw on, and it looks really cute, and I feel very put together, but I'm literally just threw on one piece, very low effort, you know. But I wanted to open a package, so I'm gonna go grab that. Alright, so I got a package from Lena. If you're watching this, Lena, I'm really excited to open this. I mean, you literally come on like every single video, so thank you so much. I couldn't find the normal scissors, so these like weird jaggedy ones is what I'm using, but it's doing the job. So, she told me that she was making a painting, one for me and one for my mom. Which is so sweet of her. So yeah, I'm gonna ask her if she has like a shop or something where you can buy her paintings from. Okay. Oh, she has a card. She said I gave you some snacks that are halal, don't worry. Oh, that's so nice. I'm gonna put this up somewhere in my room. And then she said one's for my mom and one's for me, so just to decide who wants which one. Pretty. I love it. Thank you so much. That's literally so thoughtful and kind of you if you're watching this right now. She also gave me this like jersey hijab because she said she doesn't like it on her, so she's like, I'll just put it in the box for you. That's really sweet. And unexpectedly she threw in other stuff in here, which is so nice. That's so sweet of you, though. You don't have to do all of this. Aw, like some candy in a little bag. No. Oh, it smells like really nice and sweet. I like that. It's like a vanilla-y smell almost. I've never heard of this. And then she gave me a little body. Oh my god, this was so funny because the other day I was like, oh, I need to go get body wash, and you just sent me body wash. And I love this smell so much, the winter candy apple from Bath & Body Works. And then she put these little fruit strips on, and then she wrapped them. One of them accidentally came out, I think, in the package, but she wrapped them up with little bows. Okay, I love fruit strips. Girl, you know me so well. I'm so thankful. Like, thank you so much, Lena. That was really sweet of you, and I really appreciated all the stuff you put in here, and it really made my day, so thank you so much. I'm gonna put this hijab on. I tried on the hijab with like the blue shirt I'm wearing. I probably wouldn't wear this with like a blue top, but it's so cute. I feel like I'll wear this a lot, and the material is like really good, and then the way like what's the word, the seams are on this, like they're really thin. I really like that. This is the first time I've tried a jersey hijab from a different brand other than AliExpress. Well, those are from individual sellers, and then Amazon one I have. So like, I actually really like this hot hijab one. I see what the hype's about. Very nice. Thank you so much, Lena. I honestly will get a lot of use out of this. I usually don't like a ton of fabric when it comes to jersey hijabs, but honestly recently I've been liking that, so then you can like cover your chest, you know, so that makes it super easy. Love that. Thank you so much once again. I feel like I want to keep saying thank you. And also I'm gonna go get my mom the other painting right now. So I put this one up right here. These flowers are dead going on here, but anyway, it looks so cute. I love it. And then I'm gonna go give my mom this one right now. This is for you.
Oh, thank you. You made it?
No, it's from Lena.
Oh,
remember I told you?
that's pretty. Thank you.
All right, so I got a driver today right here. Where are we going?
We're going to Best Buy, right?
Okay, we're going to Best Buy.
I don't know why.
I got a little bit of fuzz here. Need a new trimmer set, you know.
Oh,
You feel? That's fine.
So I'm back home now. I didn't really vlog at all, like in Best Buy, and then we also went to Safeway to get some fruit and stuff. But I did have an outfit change. I'm wearing that dress that I got my Shein haul. Very nice, and I like how it's like lined, so don't have to worry about anything. It's super cute. I'm honestly just gonna be living in dresses for the majority of the summer. It's so easy to just throw this on and be good, you know? Oh, I also got in a package. Let's see what it is. Put my purse back. 2 packages from Amazon. One of them I ordered these like organizers, which I thought they'd be a lot bigger, so maybe they're like bigger. They're little organizers for like your undergarments and socks. Thought I'd put them in the dresser. I want to be like, I love being organized. Oh, yep. So 2 of those are gonna fit for furniture work. Yeah, and it comes in a pack of 3. I think that should be more than enough. I'll leave the link down below if anyone else wants to get these. It wasn't too expensive. I think it was like $15, which isn't bad at all. And then I don't know what the other thing I got is. My address. I don't know what happened to my scissors. I cannot find them. Oh, this isn't mine. I think my sister ordered these. She's not even home though, so I'm gonna go ahead and like set this thing up, and then there's like about an hour until iftar, an hour and a half. It's like 6 or hour and like 40 minutes. Maghrib's at like 7:40 something. I don't know off the top of my head, but yeah, I'm just gonna chill and do all this and get like this whole situation sorted.
All right, today we're gonna make some. Alright, I'm back from Best Buy. I'm gonna do the cleaning a little bit later, but right now, iftar time almost, so we gotta do some cooking. I just seasoned the kebabs, marinated the meat last night. There's some baby cow, all ready to go. I'll show it to you on the grill now.